Hey, DIYers, got a leaky bathtub faucet that just won't quit dripping, droplet, or maybe your handle's getting stiff and hard to turn? Today, I'm going to show you how to replace a Moen 1225 cartridge, step by step, and fix that annoying drip once and for all. This is a simple DIY repair that'll save you money and take less than an hour. So grab your tools and let's dive in. Tools and materials. New replacement cartridge, a Moen 1225, flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, channel lock pliers or adjustable wrench, needle nose pliers Moen cartridge puller, optional but helpful, plumber's grease, towel or rag. Step 1, shut off water. Alright, first things first, we need to shut off the water supply to the tub. Stop sign you can either find the shut-off valves behind an access panel, or if that's not available, you may have to shut off the water to the whole house. Once it's off, turn the tub faucet on to relieve any pressure left in the line. Step 2, remove the handle and trim. Next, we're going to remove the handle. Look underneath or behind it for a small set screw and use an Allen wrench to loosen it. Once the handle's off, remove the escutcheon plate, that's the metal trim piece, by unscrewing the mounting screws. Step 3, remove the old cartridge. With the trim off, you'll see the cartridge stem inside the valve body. Now, this is where it can get tricky. Sometimes the cartridge slides right out, and sometimes it's stuck like a rock. Use needle nose pliers or a cartridge puller tool to pull it straight out. Don't twist too much, just steady pressure. If it's really stuck, you may need to rotate it slightly to loosen it. Step 4, clean the valve body. Once the old cartridge is out, clean inside the valve body. Use a rag to wipe away debris or mineral buildup. Apply a thin layer of plumber's grease to the new cartridge. This will make insertion smoother and help prevent leaks. Step 5, install the new Moen cartridge. Now insert your new cartridge into the valve body. Make sure it's aligned properly. Most Moen cartridges have a notch that needs to line up with a tab inside the valve. Once it's fully seated, reattach the retaining clip or nut, depending on your model. Step 6, reassemble everything. Time to reassemble. Reattach the escutcheon plate, then slide the handle back on and tighten the set screw. You're almost done. Step 7, turn water back on plus test. Now go turn your water supply back on and test the faucet. Check for smooth handle movement and make sure there are no drips when the faucet is off. If it's working perfectly, congrats. You just fixed it. Party popper clapping hands. And that's it. You just learned how to replace a Moen 1225 cartridge and stop that leaky bathtub faucet. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more easy DIY fixes. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to all of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.